What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to talk you through mastering your illusion twist. Let's get started. First, I want to go over the prerequisites to the illusion twist, and those are butterfly kick and pop 360. To perform the butterfly kick, you start in a lunge position. You then perform the U-dip, dropping your chest horizontal to the ground, then exploding up, arching your back, kicking up your back leg, opening up your chest, and jumping off the ground as hard as possible with your plant leg. Once you leave the ground when performing a butterfly kick, you want to have a nice open body position, and you complete your butterfly kick by just stepping over your leg. To perform the pop 360, you perform a pop 180 crescent, but then you add 180 degrees of rotation and land on both feet. The pop 360 is just like the pop 180 crescent, but you land on both feet and in the same position that you started in. And those two skills are the prerequisites to the illusion twist. Next, I want to go over the technique to the illusion twist. The illusion twist starts like a butterfly kick, but then it ends like a pop 360. The illusion twist starts in a lunge position, with your arms facing forward. Next, we perform the U-dip, just like the butterfly kick, dropping our chest horizontal to the ground. Next, we explode up, arching our back, opening up our chest, kicking back with our back leg, and jumping with our plant leg. Once you leave the ground, you want to have a nice open body position. Next, we initiate a twist, looking towards your twisting side, bringing your arms towards your twisting shoulder, and bringing your legs together. You want to keep looking towards your twisting side until you spot your target. And once you spot your target, you can end just like a pop 360. Open up your hips and pike your leg with your chest to have a nice clean inside-out crescent kick. Then open up your arms to cancel your twist right before you land in a front side stance. Your illusion twist will land just like you would a pop 360. When learning the illusion twist, people often get confused with the shuriken B twist. The illusion twist ends in a front side stance, and usually when the kick is performed, the chest is above the hips, just like a vert kick, like a pop 360. When performing a shuriken B twist, you land in a backside stance or an eagle position, and usually the hips are at level with or above the head when they're performing the kick. Those are the big differences between the illusion twist and the shuriken B twist. You can always tell by looking at the landing stance. If they landed in front side, they did an illusion twist. But if they landed in backside or an eagle, then they did a shuriken B twist. Finally, I want to talk about the difference between doing an illusion twist and mastering your illusion twist. And a lot of that is performing your illusion twist with intention. Now, the intent behind an illusion twist is right in the name. You want to perform an illusion. You want to trick somebody. When you perform an illusion twist, you're faking someone out that you're going to go for a butterfly twist or a double butterfly twist. But instead, you cancel that out and you perform a big vert kick instead, that big inside-out crescent. If you want to master your illusion twist, you want to perform it with that intent, to kind of confuse and maybe to catch someone off guard and do a trick that they weren't expecting. A trick looks 10 times more impressive and infinitely better if it's unexpected. And the illusion twist is a great opportunity to do that. And that's one of the differences between performing your illusion twist and mastering your illusion twist. Lastly, if you want another perspective on this trick, head on over to the Plan Zero channel. Kyle Skelly and Sam Kojo worked together to make their own illusion twist tutorial, and it's a great progression. And I think their perspective is really valuable, and I think it's something that you guys should check out if you really want to master this trick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a lovely day.